Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating with style on a budget, and I love to try to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. And one of the ways I do that is by budget home decor shopping. And in today's video, we are going to go do something we haven't done in a really long time, and that is to go thrifting. So I thought I would take you along with me to see what we can find at our local thrift stores. I want to change up a few things in my home, not a lot, just a little, and I want to find some very unique decor pieces as inspiration to help me decorate for the winter season. So that's what we're going to do on today's video. I don't know what we're going to find. Hopefully we can find some really good things. You never know, it's hit or miss when you go thrifting, but that is what we are going to do today. So if you love home decor and you love decorating on a budget and you love thrifting, make sure you don't go anywhere. And if you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I would love to have you on this channel. We do lots of budget decor shopping and decorating, and thrifting is a big part of my channel. So if you love thrifting, this is the channel for you. Make sure you subscribe. And with that, let's go see what we can find. So when you are out thrifting, you will have to search through a lot of, how should I put it, junk to find the decor items. So as you can see here, most of this stuff I would not pick up, and it's just a treasure hunt, guys. You may have to go to your thrift store multiple times in a week because they are constantly putting out new items, but there are times when you will find those unique home decor treasures. So like this item, I really fell in love with this. It reminded me of something that you would find from West Elm or possibly Our House, any of those type stores. So of course I had to pick those up, and they were only $4.99. These two bowls are very unique in design. They remind me of something that you might see at Restoration Hardware. The one with the handles was $13.99, and its twin, which is similar but without the handles, was only $4.99. Again, very reminiscent of something you might find at Restoration Hardware, but that's no longer what I'm into, so I did not pick that up. If you are just starting out and you have your first apartment, or you just bought a new home and you want to save a little bit of money, do not overlook the dinnerware, glassware section of your local Goodwill. You can find some really nice, affordable things there. This bowl caught my eye. It has a silver rim. I didn't pick it up. I did see this serving bar or a serving tray It's made of a black rattan. It looked very high quality to me. As you can see, it still had food stuck in it, which was not very appealing to me, so I did not pick that up either. You could, however, always take a good stiff bristled brush that away, wash it up really good, and it would be as good as new. I saw this vase for $4.99. I really love the ridged glass detail, the gold detail at the bottom, and I debated, should I get it? Should I not? Again, I'm trying to be more intentional with things I bring into my home. I did put it in my cart, but it did not stay there. So leave me a comment down below. Would you have brought this home, or would you have left it at the Goodwill? I did also come across this piece which looked like it was a tortilla warmer to me. So, I think I've seen something similar to this in like restaurants, and I was trying to figure it out, but I wasn't sure. But in the end, I did go ahead and pick it up because I did think it was a tortilla warmer, and after a good cleaning, perfect to use. I think it's a tortilla warmer. At least that's why I picked it up. So leave me a comment down below and let me know for sure. But I think you take your tortillas, wrap them in a paper towel or some wax paper, get them all warmed up, and then you sit them in here and you put the lid on to keep the tortillas warm. So again, at least that's what I think it is. That's why I picked it up. And as you can see, it was $4.99. So we're gonna get this washed up, cleaned up in the dishwasher. And anyway, that's what I'm gonna use it for. At least that's what I think it's for. But if it's not and you know what this is, leave me a comment down below. It's this really soft little sleepwear top. And it just reminded me of something that you would pick up at Victoria's Secret. But as you can see, it's very soft flannel. And I thought this would be perfect. It's long enough to use as a nightgown. So that's what I picked it up for. And it was only $1.99. Sleepwear is $1.99 at Goodwill. This is a size small, but to me, it looks larger than a small, and I think it will fit me perfectly. So I went ahead and picked that up, again, for $1.99. And I also picked up this really neat soft throw. I just loved the geometric pattern. It's black and white, you know, it's part of my signature colors, and I thought it would look perfect here in the lounge in my chair with these black pillows. This little black New York pillow came from Five Below. It was $5. I picked it up several years ago, and the other one is just the pillow that we had here during the summer that has the little leopard on the back, and we just turned it around for winter, and then we can turn it back around when we're ready to use the leopard side again. But this piece was 99 cents from the Goodwill. And it's a really nice quality piece and perfect for this space. And then I also found these wooden pieces. These remind me of something that you could find at West Elm. This was $4.99. These were originally from, looks like Target. Yeah. And it doesn't say, yeah, from 2008. So for $4.99, I did not think these were a bad price at all. It brings in some warmth into the space, and I just love the abstract look of them. I could leave them brown, but I'm thinking about either painting them out all white or all black. So leave me a comment down below. Should I leave these in the brown color that they are, or should I paint them? At the moment, I'm leaning toward painting them. Maybe one black, one white, or all white or black. I'm not sure. So leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts on that. this last item that I picked up is really unique in design. At first, I almost missed it because it was at the very bottom of a basket pile, but it caught my eye. I dug it out, and this is how it looks. I love the, I guess it's like a boat shape or a leaf shape, but I thought it would look perfect here in the lounge. Again, with some glass orbs in it or some greenery, and just change out the decor throughout the seasons. This was $4.99, $5.99, which I thought was a great price. Considering the size and the unique shape, I just had to pick it up, and I cannot wait to style it. So guys, that's everything that I picked up from the Goodwill today while we were out thrifting. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these pieces. I absolutely love them, and I think they will go perfect in my home for the coming year, and we'll use them for quite a while. So you can save a lot of money thrifting, but you have to be intentional. Don't go out and pick up a bunch of things just because they are on sale. That's what I have done in the past, and I'm not going to do that anymore. Your home can become cluttered and just hard to manage if you pick up a lot of things that you don't use. So the year of 2023 is going to be all about intention. Using the things that I buy. If I'm not going to buy it, I'm not going to pick them up. I will show you perhaps in a video the things that I like in the store, and then that way if you're out and you find something, you can pick them up yourself, and show you some ways possibly on how to style them using a mood board. So if you're into that and you want some decorating ideas with style all on a budget, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I would love to have you. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one.